This is not going to work. I got to get this replaced. To the junkyard we go. Okay, it's here. Some nice Tauruses here. I finally found the one. So the problem with this is I needed to trim off the bottom right here. But unfortunately, when they put the cars on these wheel stands, these little fabricated things, they sit right on top of the trim. So I can't get it off. But I did find one that's not sitting on the trim. I just took all the pieces off, the fasteners. I'm taking this one home. And it's off. Took a while. Had these snap fasteners along the side. But I got the part that I wanted. Good times. Now there is a little damage here. There's a crack right here. If you close that up, they'll close up. And you got a dent right here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to prep this. I'm going to put a little heat to this. Push out this dent right here. Fix that up. Then I'm just going to fill in this crack right here with some epoxy. Sand it down. Clean everything up. Throw some paint on it. You won't even notice it's damaged. But outside of that, it's pretty good. Well, time to fix this sucker up. But first, got to get home. And we're done. I'd like to thank Pick and Pull here out of San Antonio. That address is right there. I recommend them. Man, they had a lot of Tauruses out here. So I had no problems finding the part I needed. The total price was $23.77. Well, at least I got my part. It has a little minor damage on it, but I can fix that. As a matter of fact, I'll make a video about it. Until then, I'll see you next video.